The wait is finally over. DJI has officially confirmed the Osmo Pocket 4, and trust me, this tiny powerhouse is about to change the game for creators everywhere. After months of rumors, leaks, and speculation, we finally have solid details about what's shaping up to be DJI's most advanced pocket gimbal camera yet. From 6K video recording, AI-powered tracking, and next-generation stabilization, to a sleek new design and smarter interface, the Pocket 4 is shaping up to be the biggest leap we've seen in the Osmo lineup since its debut. And here's the best part. DJI is reportedly gearing up for an official release in late November 2025, just in time for the holiday season. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. So, whether you're a filmmaker, travel vlogger, or content creator who loves shooting on the go, this little device might just be your next favorite camera. And in this video, we're breaking down everything you need to know about the Osmo Pocket 4, its confirmed release date, expected specs, AI features, price, and what makes it a true upgrade over the Pocket 3.0. Sit back, hit that like button, and let's dive into the full breakdown of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, the future of pocket filmmaking. The camera and creator community has been buzzing with excitement, and now it's official. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is finally confirmed. After months of leaks, speculation, and insider reports, DJI is preparing to introduce the next generation of its most compact handheld gimbal camera. The Osmo Pocket series has always been about redefining how creators capture cinematic footage in the smallest form possible, and with the Pocket 4, DJI seems ready to elevate the experience to a whole new level. From improved stabilization and enhanced sensor performance to smarter AI tools and a potential display redesign, everything about this camera points to a major evolution rather than just a small upgrade. So let's dive deep into everything we know so far, from its confirmed release window to the expected features, specs, and pricing details that are already stirring excitement across the filmmaking world. When DJI first introduced the original Osmo Pocket, it shocked the industry by packing a 3-axis mechanical gimbal into a device that fit easily into the palm of your hand. The second generation, the Osmo Pocket 2, refined that idea with a larger sensor, better microphone array, and improved image quality. Then came the Osmo Pocket 3 in 2023, a massive leap forward featuring a 1-inch CMOS sensor, 4K 120 frames per second recording, and an impressive rotating touchscreen that allowed users to seamlessly switch between vertical and horizontal orientations, a nod to the rise of vertical content creation. Now, just 2 years later, the Osmo Pocket 4 is poised to take that innovation even further. According to industry insiders and credible leaks, the new Pocket model will deliver the most advanced combination of portability, image quality, and AI-assisted shooting that DJI has ever put into a handheld camera. One of the most talked about changes coming to the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is its refined body design. DJI has reportedly improved ergonomics, making the handle slightly thicker for better grip while maintaining its ultra-compact portability. The company is also rumored to introduce a new magnesium alloy frame for added durability and heat dissipation, which could help with extended 4K or 6K video recording. The iconic rotating touchscreen is expected to stay but may now feature a higher brightness AMOLED panel, offering better visibility outdoors, something Pocket 3 users often requested. The design language will still reflect DJI's minimalist philosophy, but with cleaner lines,